Honda Accord V6 misfire diagnosis. It has a code for a cylinder number 2 misfire. So I pulled the coil pack from 2 and put it on 3. So I swapped those. And the misfire stayed on cylinder number 2, which tells me there's something going on with cylinder number 2. So I pulled the spark plug out, put it in the old spark plug tester right here. And if you can see this, the one on the left is a tester plug. The one on the right is the plug from the vehicle. I'll turn this on. You can see that one sparking on the left, and this one, nothing. So this vehicle just needs a set of spark plugs.